older men can attract a younger woman, age gap relationships. Hey there, it's Anna. Ever wanted to attract younger women as an older man? Well, today we're diving into the heart of the matter. We're going to break down the ways older men can genuinely connect with and attract younger women. It's not about pretending or acting youthful, but understanding the genuine appeal you bring to the table. By the end of this video, you will have the insights to confidently engage with younger women and understand the foundation of lasting connections and age gap relationships. Ready to discover the key? Let's unfold the story together. Be yourself. Tip number 1, be yourself. Authenticity, my friends, is key. There's nothing more attractive than a man who is comfortable in his own skin. Embrace who you are, your age, your experiences, your maturity. These are not drawbacks. They are your strengths. Show her that you are content with who you are, but you are also open to new experiences and learning. The self-assurance that comes with age is a magnet, and the right person will value you for it. Show genuine interest in her life. Moving on to our second tip, show genuine interest in her life. Remember, age is not the only difference here. Her interests, her lifestyle, and her perspective, they might be different from yours, but that's what makes getting to know her so interesting. Ask about her hobbies, her dreams, and her everyday life. Show curiosity, but remember, it should be genuine. No one likes feeling like they are being interviewed. Make it a two-way conversation. Share about your life too. It's all about building a connection. Stay updated and relevant. Now, this doesn't mean you need to completely change who you are or pretend to be someone you're not. Rather, it's about bridging the generational gap by keeping up with the world around you. Understand the current trends, listen to the latest music, and be familiar with the newest tech gadgets. Immerse yourself in her world without losing your own identity. This will allow you to engage in stimulating conversations and shared experiences. What's more, it shows her that you are open-minded and adaptable. Imagine being able to discuss her favorite Netflix series or the latest Billie Eilish track. These shared interests can be a fantastic way to connect and bond. And hey, who knows, you might find yourself enjoying these new things too. Respect her autonomy. Just because you have more life experience doesn't mean you have the right to control her life. It's crucial to recognize and acknowledge her autonomy. Respect her choices, her decisions, and her ability to navigate her own life. Remember, the last thing she wants is another parental figure. So instead of lecturing, share your wisdom and experiences in a non-condescending manner. Instead of insisting on your way, discuss and decide things together. It's about mutual respect and understanding. It's about treating her as an equal and as a partner. This way, you're not just showing her your maturity, but you are also building a foundation of trust and respect, which are essential in any relationship. Offer stability. Moving to tip number 5, offer stability. Stability here doesn't necessarily equate to financial security, although it is certainly part of it. Emotional stability, however, is a key element that shouldn't be overlooked. Show her that you are a man who's reliable, consistent, and grounded. Someone who's not easily swayed by the whims and fancies of life. This sense of stability and security that comes with maturity is often what younger women find attractive in older men. So show her that you are that port in a storm, a calm, reassuring presence that she can always count on. Moreover, let her know that you are not just there for the good times, but also for the challenging times. This level of stability can provide a sense of security that's incredibly attractive. Communicate openly. This is something that's essential in any relationship, irrespective of age differences. Ensure that you express your thoughts and feelings openly and encourage her to do the same. Be clear about your intentions and expectations right from the start, whether you are looking for a casual fling or a serious long-term relationship. Also, it's crucial that you listen and respect her desires and expectations. Open communication builds trust, eliminates misunderstandings, and allows the relationship to develop naturally. Plus, it shows her that you respect her enough to be honest and open, and that you value her enough to listen to her. So speak up, but also listen. It's a two-way street, and it can make your journey together much smoother and more enjoyable. Dress well. No, you don't need to dress like a 20-something to attract a younger woman. You just need to show that you take care of yourself and that you have your own sense of style. It shows self-respect and confidence. Show your emotional maturity. This is something that comes with age, and it's a definitive plus. Being able to handle conflict, showing empathy, and taking responsibility for your actions, these are signs of emotional maturity that can be very attractive. Be patient. Remember, Rome was not built in a day, and neither are relationships, especially ones that have a significant age difference. Just like a sapling needs time to grow into a strong tree, relationships need time to develop and mature. Being patient also implies respecting her pace and comfort. Remember, it's not about the end destination, it's about the journey. A younger woman might not be used to the ways of an older man, and she might need time to understand your lifestyle, your habits, and your world. So don't rush things, don't force things, let them unfold naturally. Show her that you are there, that you are interested, but you're also patient. This way, you're laying the foundation for a deep, meaningful connection rather than a fleeting, superficial one. Keep your life balanced. It's quite easy to lose yourself when trying to attract someone, especially when they belong to a different age group. But the key is to maintain a healthy balance. Keep doing the things you love, the things that make you who you are. This could be as simple as maintaining your Sunday golfing ritual with your buddies, or as grand as keeping up with your travel plans. But at the same time, don't forget to make time for her. Show her that she's an important part of your life, but not the only one. Also, showing her that you have a life outside of your relationship not only makes you look attractive, but also makes her realize that you are independent, content, and have a life that's rich with experiences. This balance is what can truly set you apart. Be adventurous. Who said adventure had an age limit? Absolutely no one. The thirst for adventure should never die, and expressing this side of you can be quite appealing to a younger woman. This doesn't necessarily mean you have to go bungee jumping or scuba diving, although if you're up for it, why not? Being adventurous can be as simple as trying a new cuisine, exploring a new city, or picking up a new hobby. It's all about stepping out of your comfort zone and experiencing life beyond conventional boundaries. This shows her that you are not just an older guy, but a man who's fun, exciting, and open to new experiences. Plus, being adventurous together can create memorable moments that can strengthen your bond. Be a good listener. It might sound simple, but it's often overlooked. And trust me, it's one of the most attractive qualities one can have. When you listen, you tell the other person that you value what they say, that their opinions matter. For a younger woman, this is particularly important. She might be used to being dismissed because of her age, so having someone who genuinely listens to her can be a refreshing change. And when I say listen, I mean active listening. This involves not just hearing her words, but understanding them, responding to them, and engaging in the conversation. And remember, this should go beyond just her words. Listen to her silence, her expressions, and her body language. This level of attention shows her that you truly care, and it can deepen your connection like nothing else. Show kindness. Gentlemen, kindness is timeless. It never goes out of style. But kindness isn't just about being nice to her. It's about being kind to everyone. The waiter at the restaurant, the guard at the door, the old lady crossing the street. Because kindness speaks volumes about who you are as a person. And trust me, she will notice. It's these little things that can make a huge difference. A random act of kindness can touch her heart like nothing else. And remember, real kindness comes from a place of genuine care, not from the intent of impressing someone. So be kind, not just in your words, but also in your actions. And not just to her, but to everyone around you. Keep up your physical health. Now, this doesn't mean you have to have the body of a fitness model. It simply means taking care of your body, because a healthy body often signifies a healthy mind. It could be as simple as taking a walk every day, hitting the gym a few times a week, or even doing yoga at home. Eating healthy is also a part of it. So show her that you care about your health and well-being. This not only makes you look good, but also tells her that you plan to stick around for a while. So you've learned the secret to attraction across age gaps. Now delve deeper to see how a younger woman reveals her interest through body language or the clear indicators she's making the first move. Which will you uncover first? If you found this valuable, please hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more insights.